They've been rescued in Brunswick County. Some areas are worse than others, and in those areas that are hit the hardest, it is absolute devastation.
The aftermath of Florence has left the town of Boiling Spring Lakes in utter devastation, from flooded roads to essentially no access in or out of the town, and that's just the beginning. Now, a dam breach that tore through a major road and leaves it crumbling to pieces. Lots of residents still without power or water and no idea when they will get anything back. Residents are not sure, though, if they will ever make it out of this town if conditions do not improve.
You can't get out of town, you can't get into town. So I think the last thing I was notified about, if you leave Brunswick County, you're not getting back in.
Brunswick County crews have been working endlessly to keep residents safe. The destruction is just overwhelming. Meiji says he cannot imagine how long it will take to repair the life-threatening damage.
But around here, it's pretty devastating. I've never seen anything like it. New to the area, I've been here about 3.5 years. And it's something different. I've never experienced this one.
Brunswick County agencies are working non-stop to repair roads and restore power, but there is no word on how long that all may take. Some are calling it more of a rebuild than just a repair. In Boiling Spring Lakes, Kylie Jones, WWAY News.